Hi there, my name is Ali and welcome to Get Quizzical's mixed quiz.
This quiz will feature 20 questions across 2 rounds. Planes, trains and automobiles, and the usual genius round with the aid of multiple choice and the lucky dice feature.
Let's get started.
And our first round is planes, trains and automobiles, i.e. anything transport. Question 1. Which aircraft manufacturer produces the A380 passenger aircraft? Do you know who makes the A380? It is indeed Airbus. Question 2. Which country is famous for its high-speed Shinkansen trains? And that is Japan. Question 3. What colour are London's iconic double-decker buses? Their cabs are black and their buses are red. Question 4. What type of romantic transport is traditionally used to travel along the canals of Venice? And that would be the gondola. Question 5. Which famous passenger ship sank in 1912? And that would be the Titanic, of course. Question 6. On which side of the road do people drive on in Australia? And it is the left side, which is the correct side or the right side. Wink, wink. Question 7. What is the world's longest railway line called? And that's the Trans-Siberian Railway. Question 8. Beginning with T, what is the common name for a taxi with 3 wheels, often seen in parts of Asia? What are these guys called? And they are tuk-tuks. And question 9, which sea vessel is designed to carry vehicles as well as passengers? And they are ferries. Which famous road stretches from Chicago to Santa Monica? The iconic Route 66, of course. And the final round, the Genius round, featuring 10 multiple choice questions. Rather than the standard 10 points, I will roll a dice for the number of points available for each question. For example, if I roll a 5, then you get 5 points for a correct answer. So make sure to keep track of your score. And what's our first roll going to be? And it is 5 points. This question's worth 5 points. Founded in 1594, the world's first formally established Chinatown is in which city? Is it Manila, San Francisco, or London? First formally established Chinatown. It's actually in Manila. And our next roll is a 4. The US state of Minnesota is known as the land of 10,000 what? Churches, hills, or lakes? Minnesota, the land of 10,000 lakes. For 4 points. And our next question will be worth 3 points. Question 23. The Lincoln bedroom is part of which official residence? Is it 10 Downing Street, the Lodge, or the White House? The Lincoln bedroom. There should be an easy 3 points for you because, of course, it's part of the White House. And our next roll is giving us 4 points for this question. 24. What is a scientific theory that estimates the likely number of extraterrestrial civilizations in our galaxy? Is it the Drake equation, the quantum theory, or the Lamar number? Have you heard of this scientific theory? It is the Drake equation for 4 points. We're not alone. And our next one gives us that big 6-pointer we're all looking for. For a period of time in the 1800s, the South Island of New Zealand was officially called New what? Was it Munster, Christchurch, or Sicily? The South Island of New Zealand was called New Munster for 6 points. And we've got another 4. In which film franchise does the fictional Continental Hotel in New York serve as a neutral ground for assassins? Is it Jason Bourne, James Bond, or the John Wick franchises? And of course, it's John Wick. Our next one, another 6-pointer. What do the prehistoric paintings in Lascaux caves primarily depict? Are they animals, plants, or humans? Prehistoric paintings. Do they depict animals, plants, or humans? And it is, of course, animals. And question 28 will give us a chance at 5 points. The Lumiere brothers, Auguste and Louis, were pioneers in which field? Was it aviation, architecture, or motion pictures? The Lumiere brothers. And the correct answer for that one is motion pictures for 5 points. And we've got 2 points for this one. What was the name of the ship's cat who accompanied Matthew Flinders on his circumnavigation of Australia? Was it Skinny, Slender, or Trim? You know the answer to this one? It's Trim. I'm assuming as in trim the sails for 2 points. And our last question will be worth 1 point. Could make all the difference. What name was given to the political scandal that greatly contributed to the resignation of British PM Boris Johnson? Was it Partygate, Scuttlegate, or Watergate? And the answer to that one was Partygate for 1 point. And that concludes our final round and indeed the quiz for this week. The final round was worth 40 points. How many of those did you manage to score? Make sure to add them to the first round and let me know your final score out of a nice neat 50 points this week. And before you head off, if you could do something to interact with my channel, either hit that like button, subscribe, or watch one of these videos next. That will help get my content out in front of others. And until next time, don't forget to get quizzical.